The Court of Appeal this morning overturned the interim injunction which was granted to Montego Bay Pride, allowing the group use of the cultural center for a series of events. Now, this is the latest in the ongoing court battle between the gay rights group, Montego Bay Mayor Homer Davis, and the St. James Municipal Corporation. The St. James Municipal Corporation appealed Monday's ruling in the Supreme Court, citing a technicality. Its argument before the Court of Appeal was that Montego Bay Pride had not submitted an application to the Municipal Corporation for use of the cultural center. On Friday, Justice Patrick Brooks, one of 3 Court of Appeal judges who presided over the matter, said Supreme Court Judge Justice David Batts erred in his findings of the facts. Justice Brooks said the decision by Justice Batts must be set aside, further stating that a mandatory injunction could not be granted under the circumstances. In an interview with our news center, founder of Montego Bay Pride, Maurice Tomlinson, explained that he was not aware he had to seek permission from the municipal corporation.
We followed the procedure that was on the Montego Bay Cultural Center website, which was to make an email application to the operations manager, which was done, and that was confirmed. We were never told that we needed to apply for amusement license, and even so, when the mayor made a statement that he would not allow us for the sacredness of the space, it was before the period was open for us to apply. And then when we contacted the cultural center to ask what this meant, they said based on the mayor's statement, we were not allowed to host events, and they cancelled our bookings.
Mr. Tomlinson further adds that Montego Bay Pride will meet to discuss Friday's ruling and decide its next step, including its application for a judicial review.
We are right now looking at our options, and we will announce that as soon as it's possible, because this is far from over. We're not done. And they have said that this is a technicality. We will address that technicality because the conversation we want to have must take place at a central location that all Jamaicans can have access to.
Montego Bay Pride had a series of events scheduled for the Montego Bay Cultural Center, including a public forum on same-sex marriage and a film festival.